This is the Drone Mini Drone. It's a unique palm-sized quadcopter that captures crisp 4K image, HD 1080p, and panoramic photos. And what's more, the Drone pilots conveniently and effortlessly through your smartphone. With GPS and vision positioning, it will follow you wherever you go. At only 3 ounces, its compact and lightweight design allows you to take it with you anywhere. You can even set the Drone to follow you and track you, so you can capture that perfect ride. Infrared and sonar sensors let you fly, even indoors. Drone's advanced 4K camera, positioning system, and internal balancing technology combine for precision hovering. Get that perfect shot, video, or selfie every time. Take it up a notch with a 360 spin for aerial panorama photos. And the live stream technology allows for instant sharing. The Drone Mini Drone. Power, precision, performance.
Imagine a day in your local park and getting a whole new perspective. From the palm of your hand, picture soaring to incredible heights above the waves and float out of a hot air balloon, sharing breathtaking memories.
This is Microdrone. When we began on Microdrone, our aim was to create a small-size, personal drone that was affordable, durable, easy to fly, that works straight out of the box. A drone for everyone.
Whether you fly Microdrone in extreme conditions, like on a windy beach, or in delicate ones, like inside your home, with its precision control, flexibility, and durability, you can fly it anywhere, no matter your age or flying experience. There's no other drone like it.
We're doing really innovative stuff. We don't cut corners. We're in it for the long run. We launched the first edition Microdrone in 2011, and the feedback was incredible. We redesigned the second edition around a modular architecture to support a unique range of plug-and-play modules. It received rave reviews in the technical journals, online blogs, and even TV shows.
These little drones that are like
I think they're awesome, man. Have you seen the Microdrone 2.0?
Yeah.
That's probably my favorite one.
It's incredibly nimble, perfect if you're filming extreme sports. It is very rugged, and if anything did break, its modular design means it's easy to replace any parts.
Now, after 2 years, we're ready to make Microdrone 3.0.
Microdrone 3.0 is designed with drone enthusiasts and excellent engineers from around the world. Components are easily expandable, upgradable, and replaceable. It's also the smallest drone to currently carry a mechanical gimbal. The HD camera streams live footage to your smartphone. The batteries slide in and out for quick hot swapping. And the plug-and-play smart modules simply snap on with magnets. Since everything either snaps or slides in, the structure is sleek, aerodynamic, and beautiful.
So now it's possible using 3D printer technology like the Ultimaker 2. You can print out your own custom frame similar to the Dragon or the Wasp.
I was super excited when the Microdrone team reached out and wanted to make a first-person view drone technology using the DodoCase VR viewers. Very few people could use first-person view drone technology even a year ago. I mean, the fact that the Microdrone team is making this technology available is really a revolutionary idea.
We want to make the quintessential drone. The drone market is evolving, and together we can drive the technology forward. We need your support. So no matter who you are, we're making sure that whoever opens the box finds a simple, reliable, affordable, durable, and fun drone. Thank you. And we look forward to making with you the next, the one and only Microdrone.
Have you ever wondered a hummingbird-like love pet at your fingertips? Today we bring you the world's smallest camera frame drone, incredible Shemao drone. 2.56-inch body sizes, only 40 grams of weight. Xiaomao becomes a well-deserved hummingbird. Through the Wi-Fi connection, Xiaomao will be in your control and it will achieve any of your flight vision. With advanced gas pressure high system, Xiaomao is stable and sensitive. Under your control, Xiaomao can take off directly or even complete the 360-degree stunt rotating flying. Due to the high-strength grid structure armor protection, Xiaomao remains unharmed even after thousands of crash tests. We pursue the ultimate fun. Xiaomao is characterized by small size, but it bears a strong shooting function. With 2K resolution high-quality camera, Xiaomao will always record your good moments in your life. 720p camera can realize a perfect recording with high-definition camera. At the same time, we will present you a high-precision controller. With the controller, you will control Xiaomao to achieve more various functions. Highly intelligent Xiaomao will redefine the way drone control. For example, the track you leave on the screen is the track of flying and no deviation at all. Even more amazingly, through the gravity sensing technology and real-time data synchronization, Xiaomao will imitate the track of what your mobile phone shakes. Via VR glasses, you will see a clear scene, whether a vast blue sky or a narrow the mystery area. More importantly, with the assistance of Xiaomao, you will increasingly love the beautiful world.
Drone racing is first-person view flying with a fast drone. Pilot sees what the drone sees as it flies, controlling the aircraft remotely. It can be sportive racing at a racetrack or freestyle. We feel full immersion and enjoy the freedom of flight. Drone racing becoming a new entertainment and sport with actively growing community. Building a racing drone is always a compromise between high strength and low weight. Today's typical racing drone design is based on lightweight and strong material, carbon fiber. Usually it is an open frame made of number of flat carbon fiber details connected with bolts and nuts. Obviously, open electronic components are affected by the environment, sand, dirt, water drops. Such a setup can be easily broken down during collision, crash or dive in water. A drone pilot often has to bring 2 or more drones to the races and spend a lot of time repairing them. Understanding these shortcomings, we are making a new step to the future of racing drone design. The name of the step is Nimbus. The basic idea behind its low weight and high strength comes from features of a shell, a structural element with geometry where thickness is very small compared with other dimensions. The first prototype was made in January 2016. After extensive flight tests, 20 units were delivered to pilots. Feedback was collected and used in this release version. We make the frame for Nimbus drone with a special technology, forming a carbon fiber from the inside in a cavity mold with special bladder, which is pressurized with air. As a result, we are getting seamless structure and a fundamental increase of strength, keeping the very low weight. It is very efficient use of carbon fiber properties. All electronic components of drone, camera and battery are placed in the enclosed body and protected from the environment. Now you can enjoy your flight even more, without fear of time and money consuming repairs, not wasting time waiting for replacement parts or just annoying cleaning. Nimbus drone has extreme strength. Of course, it will not teach you to fly, but it will give you much more confidence when flying. Aerodynamics. It can be ignored when we are talking about flying at high speeds. Nimbus drone has streamlined form and very good aerodynamic properties. Nimbus drone will be available as frame only or in ready-to-fly package with the fastest flight controller, well-proven electronic components and powerful motors. Our campaign is aimed to raise funds for establishment of specialized high-quality production of hollow carbon fiber foams. We are starting with our first product, Nimbus drone, which will be ready for shipments in March 2017. If you are interested to push racing drone design to a new level, or you are looking for new ideas, please let us know and support our project.
my name is Robert Morrison and I am the founder of Axis Drones, and today I have with me the Wallet drone. The Wallet drone is the world's smallest quadcopter. It fits inside of the controller itself, which is the size of a wallet, fits perfectly into your pocket. Not only does the quadcopter fit inside of the remote control, but it actually uses the remote control's batteries to charge itself while not in use, making it go virtually anywhere that you can. This is the most portable, compact quadcopter on the market.
So we've had probably about 5 or 6 different remote control planes, but the Wallet drone seems to last forever. Maybe it's the size, the small size of it, but it flew longer than just about any other copter we've ever used.
The Wallet drone is available in 4 unique colors: blue, green, yellow, and orange. Get yours today on Indiegogo for a simple contribution, and we'll deliver one right to your pocket.